Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to take a look at this Ultimate Milwaukee backpack made for the electrical industry. This is the Electrical Tool Backpack 4822-8201, and this is called the Ultimate Job Site Work Backpack. So I like the word ultimate. Obviously, it's in my title as Ultimate DIYer, but there's a lot of reasons I really like this backpack. Now, I'm going to be honest and upfront. I never understood why anybody needed a backpack for tools. I'm like, I have toolboxes. Matter of fact, all my electrical stuff was in a toolbox, and I kept it on my trailer. So when I would go into work on a job, I would actually go in and get the stuff out of the trailer to use. I didn't need a backpack, or at least I didn't think I needed a backpack. So let me tell you how the backpack really helps you. Yes, you can carry a toolbox into the house. But if you're doing electrical work and you're up in an attic, you're somewhere far away where you're having to crawl or climb and you want to have your tools there, and you don't want to have to keep going back and forth from the back of an attic all the way back through, back down to the trailer to get one tool that you forgot, you need a backpack. Because this backpack is awesome. Let me show you first of all, the way the back of this is made. It's very heavy duty padded. It's really great. It has a hanging hook so I can hang this in my trailer off to the side. It does not take up any extra room. And it even has little straps on it to strap across and set so that it can't come off when I'm crawling around. So if I'm crawling around in the attic outside of my flashlight that I have just hanging here right now, everything is either zipped or closed in. So it's not going to fall out in the attic while I'm getting to the spot I need to get to. So let me show you some of the things that this actually does. One of the first ones, my tape and everything is kept up at the top. It's really easy to get to, very convenient. I don't have to search around in the bottom looking for tape when I need it. It has a spot on this side for my tape measure. Obviously, another Milwaukee tape measure. And then I have compartments like this. This is a really big compartment and it opens up really wide. So it gives me a lot of room and I can put full water bottles in it. And then again, there's another good reason. If you're in an attic, you can take your water with you up there and have something to drink when you're up there, burning up in a hot attic. In Texas, these attics get really warm. So spin it back around here. I have another compartment over here for a second bottle if I want it. On the front, I have these little places here where I have the Milwaukee pin right now in there, but you can put other tools, drivers and things in there. And these are pretty tight. It doesn't fall out like you would think it would. I mean, that's pretty snug. So you've got that. So let me open up the bag and show you what's in the bag. All right, so let's take a look inside. So it has the double handles at the top, which makes it great to hold on to. And I'm going to just unzip it from the top, which it's a good zipper, by the way. And then it folds open. And when it folds open, I believe there's a total of like 48 pockets here. I keep everything from my construction shears, my electrical screwdrivers, extra plugs, all kinds of things. My testers, there's my amperage tester. And I can zip all these in. And this compartment will zip at the top if you want little pieces that you're putting in there. Extra wire nuts and things are all in the bottom. My meter, strap-on clips, the big cutters. I even have my zero contact tester in here. And I've got more screwdrivers. I've got pretty much everything I need. I have my cutting knife. Everything you can think of, I can carry. I can also pull this shut, and then in the very front, this is a padded cover, so it's really nice for putting stuff down in. Right now, I believe I just have my stapler in here. Here's my stapler. But it has enough compartments. This stapler will actually go behind here like this, and I have more room to put more things here, pencils, pens, my calculator if I need it, just about anything I might need. And I keep a lot of small parts here, little drill bits, some extra wire nuts, things that I might actually need out there. I keep as an overflow. I mean, the more you look at this thing, the more you find stuff. It's like even the little emblem here is a loop, which you can clip and hang things to. It's just, there's so many functions for this. So if you haven't ever considered a backpack, or if you're looking for a really great backpack, I don't think you're going to find one better than this. I've owned this thing for quite a while. You can tell that it's kind of worn. We have a couple of electricians in the family, and we all use the same backpack. So I hope this helps. Do yourself a favor. Pick yourself up one of these Milwaukee job site electrical backpacks today. I don't think you'll go wrong, and we will see you guys on the next one.